sandwiches. You know, what amazes me is the mechanics behind it. How they can, through that one wire in the back, now he'll do it again, 2 times. But that one wire in the back is giving all the signals, and then the rest is free wheel. The joints are wherever they go. Well, there you are. How do you like that?
Thank you.
That was for you and Ashley. Yes. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go out to Bass Pro.
Bass Pro Shop?
Yeah. You don't like that, do you? Right?
Yeah, Bass Pro Shop. So we're going to go look at some fishing gear?
Some fishies? Yeah, we're going to see fishies. Yeah. But Ivy's had the idea that there were steakhouses around and a few things like that. Steakhouses. And either they're good steaks or they're not. And chances are Bass Pro might have the same thing.
You know, I'll take a lollipop, sure.
But anyhow, the atmosphere
Caden doesn't want it.
is
You want a lollipop?
there. And the kids will enjoy it.
Sounds good.
Kind of walking around a little bit. We'll go to Bass Pro. And it's very close by. We don't have to go to it. It's easy parking, easy entrance and everything else. Hopefully it isn't very crowded. I hope it isn't.